It was an ordinary morning. Mr. IF sat under a green tree, reading quietly as sunlight danced through the leaves. Above him, the sun blazed in the clear blue sky, flawless and eternal. Then, the impossible happened. The sun flickered once, twice, and vanished. Mr. IF looked up, eyes squinting in disbelief. Darkness swallowed the day, a sudden night without stars. In cities, streetlights blinked to life. People stared at the sky, confused and afraid. 8 minutes later, the last light from the sun reached Earth.
Now,
and
the
then
truth has reached
nothing.
Earth.
Mr. IF turned on his flashlight, the only light left in a world gone dark. Around him, the leaves began to wilt. Photosynthesis had stopped instantly. The river lost its shimmer, now reflecting only the faint glow of city lamps. Air turned cold. The first breath of winter arrived early. Solar panels failed. Screens flashed red with error codes. Mr. IF wrote quickly in his notebook,
Rate of
"We're
collapse.
losing the heartbeat of Earth."
Unstoppable.
Sirens echoed through the distance, the first cry of panic across nations. Alone in the dark, Mr. IF stared at the horizon where the sun once lived. Weeks passed. The world was now wrapped in frost. Each breath turned to mist. Mr. IF, now wearing a thick coat, checked his thermometer. Minus 10 degrees and falling fast. Birds and small creatures froze mid-flight, mid-step, frozen moments of life. Trees turned to crystal. Touching a leaf made it shatter like glass. Families huddled by fading fires, eyes filled with fear.
Cough.
Mr. IF walked past empty stores, shelves ransacked, silence echoing. The wind howled through empty streets, a song of extinction. Mr. IF studied energy maps, searching for any source of warmth. Rivers froze from the edges, locking entire ecosystems in ice. Sea levels dropped slightly, frozen water trapped on land. Mr. IF learned to preserve food using ancient methods. Underground tunnels began to appear, humanity digging for survival. People wrapped in layers of cloth, moving slowly like shadows. Mr. IF wrote in his journal,
No sun.
"We adapt,
Average
even
temperature.
when the light dies."
Life source?
From space, Earth was no longer blue, only white, silent, frozen. Mr. IF climbed icy peaks surrounded by endless snow. The thermometer read minus 100. Only wind dared to move. Skyscrapers lay buried under ice, humanity's pride frozen in time. Oceans turned into solid plains of frozen silence. No birds, no plants, no sound. Mr. IF checked his radio scanner. Only static remained. His breathing mask frosted over. Life clung to thin threads. He found a fern fossil trapped in ice, a memory of warmth. He drew layers of ice on his notebook, calculating time by their depth. Standing above a dead volcano, he hoped for heat, a whisper from Earth's core. But
Frozen
even
forever.
bunkers failed.
No escape.
Abandoned tunnels filled with silence. Mr. IF examined frozen microbes, searching for life that refused to die. Then, a human footprint, frozen mid-step. He looked up at the black sky. No stars, no hope. Not yet. Deep beneath the ice, tunnels descended into Earth's heart. There, a city of light emerged, glowing with human invention. People grew food under UV lamps, their new artificial sun. Mr. IF walked among them, no longer in despair, but purpose. He taught children about the old world,
about the sun that once was. Their eyes widened with wonder at stories of light and sky. He led them to a geothermal chamber, steam rising like breath from the planet. There, humanity found warmth again, from the earth itself. In an underground aquarium, fish swam beneath glowing water.
Life continued, quiet, different, but alive. Alone in his lab, Mr. If studied energy, dreaming of rebirth. He held a tiny sun model, golden light reflecting in his eyes. Even without the sun, he whispered, we found another light, within ourselves. He smiled gently at the camera, hope reborn in his gaze. Beneath the frozen earth, a city glowed, humanity's new dawn.